post office to pick up a package that was supposed to be dropped off at my house. I don't know, because they give you like a little paper that says you have to go pick it up. They tried delivering it and you weren't home or whatever, so they make you drive to the post office because that's where they leave it. So I came to the post office, and of course it was someone else's package, and he just left a little slip in my mailbox. So if I had $1 for every time that my mailman just messed up our mail situation, I would have a lot of dollars. Back on the road, babies. I just went home to change, shoot some pictures that I had to take, and now I'm on my way to do my nails. It's very hot outside. Wearing this long sleeve probably wasn't a good idea, but it's kind of breathable. Really loving this new jewelry. This chain is also from Young Frank, and the matching bracelet, which I have with my other 2 bracelets from Gemary. Really like it. It's like a little statement chain, but it's not like over the top. For today's outfit, I have an Everlane shirt, Young Frank jewelry, vintage belt that I got from Etsy, Reformation shorts, and Birkenstocks, which I got originally to just have in the house, but I don't know, they're so comfortable that I just threw them on today. I kind of like how it looks with this outfit. And my earrings are from Gemary, the bold hoops. That is all. I got like a purple grayish color. I think it's 101 by D&D gel polish. Favorite things to do every single morning is give Dexter a treat, and I put it on his plate. By the way, he's made a mess all around his plate. Just notice this. Thank you, Dexter. So I put it here, and he's currently outside, and I just like tell him to go get his treat, and he runs over here, and it's the cutest thing ever. So I'm gonna record it. Go get your treat. It's a good boy. So I just got this hole puncher from Amazon. It is to punch holes like in your belts and stuff. It has a bunch of different hole sizes, and I buy a lot of vintage belts, so I just punched these 2 holes, and you can see it's like a perfect little punch. These are the original holes, and I could have probably gone a little bigger, but it's fine. Got this belt on Etsy along with a million other belts. I had a little bit of a vintage belt kick. So yeah, definitely recommend a hole puncher. I'm always having to punch holes in my belts because sometimes I want to wear them higher up on my waist. For today's outfit, I have a redone tank, Nanin shorts. Please excuse the mess in the back. I was cleaning out my closet. Everlane crew sweater over top because it's raining outside and I'm probably gonna get cold when I go indoors. Adidas super court sneakers because it's raining and I don't feel like wearing sandals. I look like I'm gonna go play tennis, but it's a vibe. And my bag is the, can you see it? The Fendi vintage bag. We're gonna go to the mall because Roger needs to desperately buy clothes.
Making.
He entered us into a baking competition.
Yep.
Unwittingly.
And she is going 100%. She's getting everybody wasted.
This is what we're all being tested on. And we can start now. God, this is
Standing on the
you guys
right
are
corner,
idiots.
Steph. Left corner, Alex.
And last we have Daniel as judge.
My name is Roger, and I'm number 1. The flavors to this are fried Oreos inside of chocolate chip cookies.
Can we have water?
So this is a Nutella Oreo pizza. Pizza crust with Nutella, Oreo, powdered sugar, and marshmallow. So my sign is cancer. All right, here we go.
It's for today.
Which is really poor.
Yo, yo,
Where's Alex?
this tastes like a book.
This is called Orejas by me. It's just eggs and caramel.
In other words, that's a Jolly Rancher.
They're gonna break their teeth.
Rich people would pay for this.
So, I'm a Leo, and I made the cupcakes in red because I'm a fire sign for electricity.
Electric.
You know, it's hard, but it doesn't taste bad. So these are pumpkin spice cookies, and it has Nutella drizzle on top with some powdered sugar. And then that little squiggle is my Taurus sign. You don't like it?
The biggest stoner there.
Yeah, bro, you can make that.
Hi, I made tiramisu
Yeah.
cupcakes. So it's just a vanilla cupcake drizzled with espresso coffee. Frosting is mascarpone cream cheese with brandy.
We're all so basic.
And the little signs on top are Aries signs.
I thought they were little seagulls.
You know what they look like? I thought they look like birth control. The birth control.
Yeah,
What is it?
like a
IUD. IUD?
Is this sign eatable? May or may not deduct some points. I don't feel it. It's good, I like it.
All the things have alcohol. Did you listen to the entire description she just said?
In third place, with 271 points out of a possible 300, Johanna Bruce.
Get it, girl!
third place.
Second place is Josie.
Get it, girl!
Alex didn't taste
So I like
This is all fraud. This is all fraud.
Josie's dropping bombs. How is that second place?
285 points. First place goes to
Jonathan.
Gemary.
My mom
Yep, Steph, you're a fraud.
Yours is Thrift. Yours is hardest.
So I used 2 of the remaining hooks that I purchased the other day from the container store to organize my measuring spoons because I always lose them. So, little tip, if you guys use something very often and you lose it very often in the kitchen, get yourself some little hooks and organize yourself. So my top is from otherstories, pants are from Everlane, and shoes are also from Everlane. It's very hot outside, so I don't feel like wearing like sneakers or anything else. And my bag is just this one right here, which is from W Concept. And yeah, that is today's outfit. My earrings are from frankk, necklace, and everything else is from Gemary. Hair slicked back because you guys know the drill. This is like my 6th day of not washing my hair. It's too hot outside. It's way too hot outside. Much too hot outside for me to do anything other than this to my hair. Going thrifting today with Roger. So yeah, hopefully we have good luck. I doubt we're gonna have good luck because thrift stores in Miami suck, but we'll try. This one's it. This is it right here. For the person that wore this was like 4'3" or what?
Holding.
We're making progress, people. Ooh, I like these green.
She likes the green ones. She likes these.
Getting every color here. These are way too big.
Sick. Beds. Okay.
Came to an area that has more thrift stores. It's really hot, man. This is why we never do this. This is why I film all my videos inside my house with a fan on. I just saved this little guy. He was in my bathroom. I put him in a cup, and now he doesn't want to leave the cup. Come on. Be free. I release you. He just wants to stay in there. Come on, little guy. My camera died, but he's in there somewhere. I promise. Okay, so I just got this package from Laura Mercier, and they're having this promotion where if you order a tinted moisturizer or the illuminating moisturizer, tinted moisturizer, you get a free Matte Radiance Baked Powder in Highlight 01. And I don't know if I've ever mentioned this on my channel, but this is my favorite highlight of all time. Every time somebody asks me to recommend a highlight, one single highlight that they can buy and use for the rest of their life, I always recommend this one. It is the best highlight ever. You can literally pack this on and it's never going to look like too much on your skin. It just looks so perfect. There's no shimmer, it's just a sheen. It is seriously the best highlight ever. I go back to it every single time I try anything else. So yeah, you use this code and you get a free full-size highlight. So I wanted to share that. And yeah, don't miss this out. It ends on the 15th of October. That's a really good deal. Trust me. Trust me. We got some hostility.
Next year.
We can't compete against each other. It never ends well.
Your dessert looked beautiful. It got 10 out of 10 in presentation.
Thank you.
It got 5 out of 10 in taste.
We got these for you, but
Avocado?
no, wait.
Yeah.
You're gonna put it perfect. That's fine.
Wait, Jonathan. You got 0 out of 5 because it was bigger. Because it was bigger than a regular plate. Nothing crazy. Why would?
Hey guys.
Next is Gemary.
Oh, wasn't I supposed to talk about Jonathan?
Yeah, John.
Yeah, he's like a little boy. Baby. We have to see. Yeah. Oh, okay. I kind of just see that zoom in there.
It's comfortable.
With 282 points, only separating the winner by.
And I want to say you guys did an awesome job, and let's make next year's better, all right?